Crazy Chef, welcome back to the video, welcome back to the vibe. So this, I don't know if this is a fruit or a vegetable, but today we're gonna use this to make some pickled vegetables, and for that pickled vegetable you can put it on fish, you can put it on beef jerky, you can pretty much put it on anything you want, because what's gonna happen after a couple weeks, that brine is gonna be so good you could practically drink it. So I'm gonna take this weird fruit or vegetable, they call it a chocho. So we're gonna take the skin off. So we take the skin off. Take the skin off. This is how you take the skin off. I don't know, I found it in the supermarket. So this you can get in your supermarket. You cut it in half and you take that out. So you cut it in half, take that out. And I think this is popular in the Caribbean and in like Spanish countries. So I'm gonna slice it. And what's gonna happen is what the other ingredients we put on there is gonna make it edible. So we slice it up and then we make strips, otherwise called. So we slice it up, or we julienne, or we make strips. That's what that is. We do the same thing to the other side. So we slice that up, strips. That's what that is. That's our chocho. So on this side, we have some onions, we have some habanero, we have some poblano, and we have some jalapeno. We have some carrots, thyme, and some pimento. So we take our chocho, we put it in this jar. What we do, we put some, one fell. So we put some onion rings in there, couple of habanero, yellow and red, couple poblano, some jalapeno, shake it up, some pimento, couple sprigs of thyme, and some carrots. And we do the same thing for the other one. So just like that. Then we're gonna do the same thing for the other one. So now we've ended up with 2 jars. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take some ginger infused oil. We're gonna pour it in there. So half. And half. I'll put a little more on this one. I thought this one didn't get a fair share. So half and half. So ginger infused oil. Put that in. Some white wine vinegar, so half white wine vinegar, half white cane vinegar. A little bit of pickling spice. Give that a mix. And we're gonna put half and half. Cover it, give it a little shake. Cover, shake. So now you want to set this in your cupboard or your refrigerator. So you put this in your cupboard or your refrigerator for 2 weeks, and then you get a fantastic marinated pickled vegetable. And you can drain it, use the contents of you can use the vegetables, you can use the juice or sauce or whatever, or you can just take it out, heat it up, and put it on whatever you want. Crazy Chef, thanks for watching. See you on the next video. See you on the next vibe.
Mm-hmm.